My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below, but this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you, and now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
I'm having a lot of trouble with sorry, these are like really elementary questions, but having a lot of trouble with my like calendar and making sure that like the Zoom links are going like when I book a call with somebody, they try to click on the Zoom link and it's just not. I have to like resend a link and it's very confusing here. Let me see if I can pull it up.
Easy workaround for that is to just use the same Zoom link for all your Zoom calls.
Okay.
For like prospects. That way you just have one permanent link that you use for all your
Yeah.
calls. And it can be like, zoom.com or zoom.us/speak with David or something like that. And
Okay.
then just use that same Zoom link. You can create that Zoom link under your Zoom account or Google Meet, whatever type of software you're using for your video calls. You can create a permanent link like that. And then you just put that link in all your automated emails, texts that send out before the call. So they have that
Okay.
link.
So yeah, just
It's
making
a
sure.
lot trickier when you're using like a dynamic link every time that's changing for every call. It creates confusion for you because you're having to create a new link.
Right.
Sometimes I have noticed occasionally it usually works and it'll generate that new link, but sometimes if there's like an issue with the API connection, it doesn't for some reason like create that new link for that new call. And so just using the
Yeah.
same link every time, that's what I do with these calls that you guys jump on here with, any sales calls that I
Right.
do. I never have issues using the same link. You might think like,
Okay.
oh, someone from an old call might try to jump on again, but it's very like rare that anybody would do that. And you have a waiting room for a reason. Like if someone's not supposed to be there, you don't have to let them in. So
Right. Okay, cool. So that would be a setting in Zoom and not in high level.
yeah, so I could show you real quick. Let's see. Let me go see if I can open my Zoom account without kicking off this call. Okay, so if you go into your Zoom account, I
Mm-hmm.
just clicked into like my settings here. And then if you go down to where it says, I think it's under, well, I think it's under meetings. Oh no, where is it at? Oh no, sorry, profile. Go to profile.
Okay.
Think I'm remembering now. Yeah, go to profile and then right here, personal meeting ID. If you expand this will be your permanent link right here.
Okay, got
Um,
you.
and I think it might be a certain Zoom account subscription that you have to have if you want to like customize the end of it.
Yeah,
I'm trying to
I don't
remember
need
how to
that.
customize it. Personal link. Personal link is an alias for your personal meeting. Anyway, you'd have to look up how to like change it to have like David speak with David on the end or something. But anyway, you can just use these ones too. That's the one that I use for you guys and stuff. So
Easy. Okay.
yeah. Anyway,
And then you just take that and throw it in all of my different like automated emails and stuff.
exactly. Yep. If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.